Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since I've posted a video on YouTube, but I figure I'd share this video. This is going to be the last time I see my Yamaha XT250. It's been a great run, but I figured I'd just do a little last ride video. By the time this video is uploaded, I've already sold the XT250. I ended up selling it through Cycle Trader. Didn't have to pay anything to post it on Cycle Trader. And I think with the free account, you have up to 2 weeks to post before you have to pay more for an extra couple of weeks. I was shocked on how fast I ended up selling the bike. It took me no less than a week, and I think like the first couple of days I got hits, like instant hits, and I've had so many people that wanted to check out the bike. Bike was amazing. It was great. I really loved it. I really love how lightweight it was, easy to take around the corners, and the fact that you can just take it anywhere. It's an awesome on and off road type of bike, Just the only thing that I didn't really like is that sometimes, like if you're on the highway or something, you definitely would have wanted that extra power. Now, it does do highway speeds though, for sure, but it just doesn't have that overtaking power. It's a slow ass truck right here. Just wish I could get out of the way. But yeah, I mean, amazing bike. Really great bike for anybody who's starting to ride a motorcycle for the first time. Now this isn't my first bike. I actually started out on a 2012 Honda CBR 250R back in 2015. That was a great bike. I've only had that for a few months, and actually I was going to upgrade to a 600RR, but then I ended up researching and finding out about dual sports, and I figured going on and off road, that'd probably be more fun than going a little faster in the twisties. So I ended up getting the XT250 back in December of 2016, and it's crazy for how long I've had it for. I've really had I really had a great time with it. Now, compared to the Triumph, I still say the XT250 is fun. Now, it's not crazy fast like the Triumph. Oh, hell no. The Triumph is awesome. But when you want a bike to just mess around with, XT250 is the way to go. Thanks for watching my last ride on my XT250. It's been a great run, lots of memories. If you like the video, just click the like button. I appreciate all my subscribers so far. It's time for something new, and I'll make sure to upload more content in the future. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys.